Did DJI just secretly unleash a dual-camera pocket prototype? A brand new leak, allegedly the Osmo Pocket has surfaced and it flips a lot of our expectations today. I'm breaking down what's actually confirmed versus what's pure wishlist rumor. Why that second lens could change everything. The latest buzz on price and launch timing, and stick with me till the end. Because I'll also answer the big question, should you buy now or wait? My take might just save you money and regret. So here's the deal. A reputable leaker dropped a photo showing a pocket-style gimbal camera with two distinct camera modules. This isn't some Frankenstein lab test, it looks like a legit, fully assembled prototype. From the image alone, we can clearly say, two modules, different sizes. Reports even hint at a second display. But why two cameras on a pocket? Think DJI drone logic, one main sensor for your hero shots. Plus a helper, maybe a tele lens depth sensor, or a specialty optic to boost autofocus, subject tracking, or creative shooting tricks. The asymmetry in the design screams that these lenses are meant for different jobs, not 3D gimmicks. If DJI really blends gimbal stabilization with an auxiliary module for depth or tracking, we could be looking at stickier subject tracking, cleaner focus pulls, cinematic moves with less effort. Rumors don't stop there. Community chatter points to a larger 2.5-inch touchscreen, a potential 1-inch class sensor, 10-bit color profiles like D-Log MHLG, ActiveTrack 7.0, and even 4000 at up to 240 fps. Add in refined phase detect AF plus hybrid gimbal plus electronic stabilization, and yai sounds insane. But remember, these are unconfirmed leaks, not official specs. Now let's talk timing and price. DJI hasn't announced anything. Looking at history, Pocket 2 launched in late 2020. Pocket 3 in October 2023, so a late 2026 release window feels realistic. Price speculation. Around $699 for the standard kit and $799 for a creator combo, but against speculation only. So what's the verdict? A real-looking prototype strongly suggests a major leap, not just a paint job. Exact lens rolls, screen size, slow motion limits, and price. Still in the fog? If you need a camera right now, the Pocket 3 is still a beast and totally battle-tested. But if a dual-camera setup could change your shooting game, waiting might be the smarter move. Now I want to hear from you. Would you upgrade for a tele lens? Next-gen autofocus? Or 4K at 240 fps? Drop your mustavs in the comments, and have you enjoyed this breakdown? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next Gadgetverse deep dive from leak to launch.